Welcome back to Housekeeping Monitor channel. In this video, I would like to share for the hotel room standard. Let's start. Emergency exit plan is clean and well presented. Room door lock is clean and in good condition. All electric sockets are clean and in good condition. AC thermostat is set up into 24 degrees Celsius. Dressing mirror is clean and in good condition. Luggage rack is clean. TV is clean and well functioning. Remote TV, TV channel list and compendium are well set up and clean. Waste basket is clean. Desk lamp is clean, well functioning and in good condition. Compendium is clean, well organized and in good. Sofa is clean and well organized and symmetric. Day bed is clean and well organized. Telephone is clean, noted pad and pencil. Telephone directory and bed linen card are well set up. Bedding is tidy, linen free of spot, with laundry bag and list, laundry promotion and room added card. Bedside lamp is clean and well functioning. Headboard is clean. Wardrobe room is clean. Bathrobe to PCS. Sleeper to pairs. Satin hanger to PCS. Clip hanger for PCS. Regular hanger for PCS. Bathrobe hanger to PCS. Umbrella 1 PCS. Torch and McBeb panel is clean and well functioning. Wardrobe rack is clean. Coffee and tea facilities is clean and well functioning. Coffee and tea facilities is clean and well functioning. Glasses, mugs and bottle opener are clean with 2 bottles of complimentary mineral water. Mini bar is clean and fresh smell. Shaving socket is clean and well functioning. Bathroom amenities is clean and well organized. Hair dryer is clean and well functioning. Wash basin table is clean and well organized. Wash basin taps and sink are clean and polished. Towels are clean and well organized. Bathroom stool is clean. Bathroom switch is clean and well functioning. Toilet bowl is clean. Bathroom exhaust is clean and well functioning. Shower head is clean and well functioning. Hand shower is clean and well functioning. Shower taps and soap dish are clean, polished and well functioning. Bathroom wall is clean. Towel rack is clean, free of watermark. Bathroom door is clean and free of watermark. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Housekeeping Monitor channel.